Since January 24, 2023, our system ranks Apple as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.098. In this period the stock has had a gain of 2.39%. This is an average return of 0.6% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, "Green Day on Friday for Apple stock after gaining 1.37%. The Apple stock price gained 1.37% on the last trading day, Friday, January 27, 2023, rising from $143.96 to $145.93. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.9% from a day low at $143.08 to a day high of $147.23. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.38% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 17 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 70 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.27 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $179.61, and the lowest price was $124.17. Right now the price is 18.75%, or $33.68, below 52-week high, and 36.07%, or $82.33, below all-time high August 30, 2018, where the price hit $228.26. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $139.32, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $157.81 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 10.41% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 25.82% and minus 14.47%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 15.87% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 35.79% and minus 7.20%. This equals a price between $93.70 and $135.42 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, January 23, 2023, Deutsche Bank set price target to 160. On Thursday, January 19, 2023, JP Morgan set price target to 180. On Wednesday, January 18, 2023, Canaccord Genuity set price target to 170. On Friday, January 13, 2023, Rosenblatt set price target to 165. On Wednesday, January 11, 2023, Barclays set price target to 133. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Apple. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Apple stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $141.22 and $135.37. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 5, 2023, and so far it has risen 16.73%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 83 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $138.38 and $134.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $138.38. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $134.51 and $125.07. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $4.15 between high and low, or 2.9%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.63%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 23.56. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 2, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $1.93. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $148.03. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $138.38, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 22, 2022, Condo Chris made an inside sell of 20,200 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 7,200 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 69,678 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 85,147 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 14,274 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -18.358. In total, the insiders bought 2,701,461 and sold 4,100,985 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $140.84, minus 3.49%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 92, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 15 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive and the breakup from the falling trend indicates a possible shift for a trend. We believe that the prices around the breaking point will indicate particularly good levels, but we also believe that the current level will hold a possible good buy level for the short-term period. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 30th, we expect Apple to open down $0.517 and start trading at $145.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to